Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you, is it worth upgrading your Umax app? So let's get started. So let's see the Umax app. So basically my answer is yes. If you have money, you can do. If you are searching for cheap alternatives, you can see, because I think this is like a heavy paid app, because it takes a week about like a $5 or $6. Okay, in euros it's €4. When you will just click on upgrade to pro, it will ask you for 390 rupees, that equal to about 4 euros. You can just update if you want to upgrade it, and it is good, you can do, and the app works well, and you can like use it in daily basis as well to create your routine. So if you have any question, you can let me know, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.